I wanted to share a feature that I built on a Shopify website, a little bit of my thinking process behind it and how it can help you on your website as well. So this is the feature here. On the left side, it's a large image, and then on the right side, it's a collage of products. So you see as you scroll down, this collage actually gets fixed to the page, and the large image scrolls into view until a certain point when it goes out of view. But then when you scroll back up, the same thing happens. So my thinking process for this design, by having this image here, you can see how these images are being applied. So it's great to almost show like a before and after. If you have a collection, right? So let's say these were all in a collection like self-care. You have a beard oil here, and then you have hair cream that you can use. So you would have these items here, and then you can see how it's applied, right? So as the customer scrolls, they can see how this product could be applied to them, right? So you could put a picture of maybe your ideal customer, them using the product, or how they would look like if they were using that product. But then you have the ability to actually shop the look. And you notice here that they all have their own individual link. These specific items here, you click on a link and it'll take them to that specific product. So it's a pretty simple section here. I even titled it Shop the Look, but that was kind of my thinking process behind this specific feature here, that by scrolling here, you could have a look or a customer, and then you could shop that look with all these specific products in that collection here. And I believe this collection has up to 9. So you could add up to 9 products here. I chose 3 because it's simple and it's kind of easy to see the back and forth. But again, that was kind of my thinking process behind it. You can actually shop that look here, have these different products as part of a collection, and then see how that collection gets applied. So I wanted to quickly share that kind of idea with you. Maybe you can use that idea in your own website somehow. I just want to share that with you. If you're looking to actually implement this on your website or something similar, or you have any other ideas, you need help with your Shopify website, please feel free to reach out. All my information is down below, and I'll be glad to help out. And if you're looking, of course, also for any templates for your online business, anything that you think might be helpful, please feel free to check out my Etsy store as well. All the links will be in the description as well, so you can check all these things out. But once again, I hope this video was helpful and maybe gave you an idea as well. And feel free to reach out if you have any questions.